Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's December 27th, 2018. I'm out in the shop area right now. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I hope everyone's doing well. Apologize for not posting videos in a while. I've been working pretty much every day out here working in the shop. It's been pretty darn cold. And a lot of the stuff that I've been doing is pretty boring, doing insulation in the workshop area down below back there. Last couple of days I've been working on cleaning up areas out here in the larger shop area, trying to get so I can get some of the building materials in. I got some lumber in today, some 2x3s, 400 2x3s, and I think 62 sheets of 5/8 inch plywood that'll be going up for the walls inside of the workshop area, and it's going to be a partition wall right here behind me. But I've got some insulation work to do as well. A couple of the reasons I haven't been posting videos is it's dark, it's very cold. The GoPro batteries don't seem to last very long in this bitter cold. This morning it's 12 degrees. It's getting up to about 30 degrees today as well. And my ear, although I'm on the mend, my ear is still giving me some issues. That's why I'm wearing this ear protective hat as well, trying to help with the healing process there. But we're making progress here, getting insulation up. Hopefully I'll be starting to get some of the 2x3s up, and I'll share just how I do that. I've adequately insulated probably 90% between the studs, 3 layers thick of 1.5 inch polyisocyanurate between the studs all the way around in the lower shop area. I still have a thermal barrier to put up, 1.5 inch insulation as well. Now there's insulation behind that Tyvek, but I've got to do insulation over here. I just haven't got all of the tools off the wall in there as well yet. But I decided to put the thermal barrier up here, but I had to button up the corners where the two buildings join together to create thermal barriers in the corners. There's sandwich or veneered 2x6s, 5 2x6s together to hold up those laminated beams that really give us some additional shop height in here as well. So really want to insulate out into the outer workshop area, which this area won't be heated at all, but inside of the educational center and workshop area where we do woodworking and all and other activities, have workshops basically. That area will be heated. So I just wanted to give you a brief update and wish everybody happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I hope people are doing well during these winter months here in the northern hemisphere, up north here in the cold temperate climate. So best wishes for a beautiful December, the finishing of December, and the new year coming up soon. I hope to be posting more videos in the near future. Hopefully the cameras will work with me, and we'll take it from there. Thanks so much, folks. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye now.